welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, today we have our Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. This box costs $42 plus $8.95 for shipping and handling. This is a black lifestyle box. Every month we get different products. Every month there's some kind of theme. You get a t-shirt in your box every month that matches up with the theme and items that also go with the theme. So we're going to get right into this box. So this is my box for August 2023. This box does ship at the end of the month. So we are reviewing this one for August. So let's get into it. Here's your quick sneak peek. And we have our little, I guess, little magazine card. So this is our little card here. Well, it's more like a magazine, a mini magazine, let's say, a mini magazine. On the back you have a QR code that allows you to scan it and go right to the website and kind of give you a more full version of the magazine that they normally used to include in here. Inside, when you open it, we do have information about the products that's in our box. So this is what's in our box this month. The theme for our box this month is me time. So that's dope. They're going to have in here, let's see, this month they're talking about wellness warriors to follow, foods to boost your mood, 12 days of self-care calendar. So let's get into me time. So guys, this box this month is valued at $130. So let's get into it. So the first item in my box, guys, I have a trio of hand creams here. And this is the Skin Deep Hand Cream trio. And it says your hands shouldn't look like what they've been through. Says gently nourish and moisturize your skin on the go with these travel size tubes. And this is valued at $20. You have 3 fragrances in here. We have highly fruity, smell the vibes, and blackberry delight. So I'm just going to pop it open and take it out of here to give you guys a better view. So these are our hand creams. And I think this is the perfect size to throw in your bag. Not too big, not too small, but a nice size hand cream to carry with you when you go somewhere. So that's it. I wonder if they really smell like they say. Let me pop one open. I like to smell stuff. So if this, oh, they got a safety seal. Yeah, they got a safety seal, so I can't really smell. I do smell a light fragrance of lemon off of this lemon hand cream that I picked up. But that's the first item out of here, guys. So let's hit up with the next one is, what is this? It's a portable Bluetooth speaker. So this is the Turn Me On mini Bluetooth speaker. This is valued at $28. You could have received 1 of 5 colors. They had this coming, looks like yellow, purple, peach. Look like a turquoise blue there, and a pink. So let's see which one I have. I have the peach. So it says, don't let this little size fool you. It does come with the cord here to charge it. And let's take a look. So guys, this is the top of the speaker here. And this is what it looks like. And you stick the charger in right here. So this says this has a lot of sound. Small but mighty. So it says this compact portable speaker packs an impeccable sound and quality, Bluetooth enabled, and it's a rechargeable battery. You'll get 1 of 5 colors. So I got peach. So this is pretty cool. I love having speakers with me because every time I go somewhere I like to have music. So this is a cute little size and it doesn't take up much space. I really like that. Great for like the beach or on a picnic, or you know, if you're just me in the bathroom just enjoying myself on spa day. We have a little speaker here, so that's cute. I like that. I've never seen them do that one before. So let's see what the next thing is. Here's our next item here, and this is the milk scarf head wrap. It says it's 65 by 30. And guys, this came in 1 of 5 colors too. So this is the color I have. This is like that seafoamy kind of green. So it says main distraction milk scarf head wrap. This is valued at $22. And this is pretty a nice size one. It's pretty long too. It's double folded. So yeah, you could definitely do a turban or something with that in your hair. And this came in one of 5 colors as well. We have yellow. We have, what do they call it? Oh, they have all these little cute names for it. It says one of 6 colors. So Blue Nile, Golden Tulip, Grape Currant, Hibiscus Rouge, Patina Ocean, and Scepter Rust. So that is our head wrap here, valued at $22. Not bad, not bad. So here's our shirt of the month. So here's our shirt. Our shirt is valued at $28. So I have large. I'm going to take it out so I can show you guys. And oh, this is cute. I like black anyway. It says drinking water, minding my business. And what's the other part? Practice gratitude. So that is really cute. I like that. So this is valued at $28. Again, I have the size large. And it just says, do you boo? We don't make the rules. This must tea comes with sage wisdom to keep you centered. This is a unisex tee, comfy for relaxing in jeans or style with some biker shorts. So this is the shirt of the month, which is really cool. And we got one more item left. So let's see what that is, guys. Alright, so this is our last item out the box. And it says it's a spa towel wrap. And it says that it's in profile, what is it? Yeah, profile white print. So this is valued, guys, at $32. And I'm going to take it out so you can see it better. And it came in one of 3 colors that we see here. And this is just like a spa towel wrap. So like if you're like me lounging around doing spa day, you have, look at this, the Velcro at the top to hold it together when you wrap it around yourself. I like. It is just one size, guys. There is not like it's more than one, but it's pretty long. So if you're in the bathroom like me, you're doing spa day, or you're washing your face or wearing a mask or something, this is perfect to kind of wrap yourself around while you're doing your grooming or whatever have you, shaving your legs and just chilling. So, and it's pretty thick too. And this is the other side of it. It's just plain like a terry cloth here. So guys, this is the one that I received. Like I said, it comes in one size. It says bathe in opulence towel wrap. $32. Value is comfort is calling. No peeking here. This is a lightweight, secure feeling, breathable fabric, ideal for putting on makeup, perfect after a shower, spa treatments, a dip in the pool, or stepping right out of the sauna. And it says the 3 designs that they have are Heads in the Clouds, which is the white. I guess that's the one I have. Moon Goddess, or a tropical salmon. So I have the white one. I guess I'm Head in the Clouds. This actually is perfect. I've been looking for one of these spa wraps for a minute, and every time I went on Amazon, I didn't like any of them. So I were hesitant to purchase it from Amazon because I just didn't like it. So this actually came right in handy because I was looking for one of these on Amazon. So it actually came for me at the right time. I think this is really cute. So this month's theme is me time. And we do have our spa towel here to go for me time. So you can chill doing whatever you want to do. We have our turban. So if you're chilling, wrapping your hair up, or like me, I probably wash my hair and haven't done it yet, and I probably have the turban on, that comes in handy. We have our shirt of the month. Drink your water, mind your business, practice gratitude. I think this is so cute. And then we have our speaker. Let me take that out. We have our speaker here for our music. And we have hand creams to slather some lotion on ourselves. So this is this month's theme. I think this is cute. I think it was on point. I would have liked to see if they could do it. Head wrap, like a terry cloth one that you could use to dry your hair with, that match actually the spa towel. That would be dope. So that is just my recommendation. Izzy and Liv, if you watch it. I thought that would have been dope. Like to have the spa towel, like the dry your hair with, the kind of match that would have been really cool to go with it. But overall, this was my box. I thought this was a pretty fun one. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did pick this box up, I would love to know what items you received and what colors you got. Because I'm just newsy and I just want to know. But I can't wait till our next month's box comes. I thought this was like a really cool vibe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. And if you enjoy subscription boxes like I do and want to see what I got, this is the perfect channel for you. But until my next video, guys, I'll see you on the next one.